Hello guys, in this video I will review Cohere AI and I will let you know if it's really worth your time as an all-in-one LLM platform. So for an overview, Cohere AI focuses on enterprise-grade natural language processing, offering multilingual models and customization features via its Command R Plus family. So, let me give you some features. It offers tools for retrieval augmented generation or RAG, document search, summarization, classification, and chatbot creation, which is powered by large language models designed for high-speed inference. So, for use cases, Cohere shines in building enterprise-level search engines and virtual assistants. Its semantic search capabilities outperform basic keyword search, and the multilingual strength opens up global applications. Now for its pricing and API access. Cohere is priced competitively for businesses and developers. The platform is API first, meaning you can plug it into your apps with minimal setup. It also offers models optimized for low latency use. So for final verdict, if you are a business or developer that you are seeking fast, scalable, and customizable LLM tools, Cohere AI is definitely worth exploring. However, hobbyists or solo users may find the platform more suited for enterprise level needs. And that's it. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.